Viruses and immune system compromised. It's pretty rampant right now, and I've been hearing a lot of people complaining or that their sinuses are, being irritated and they're experiencing colds and things of that nature. So I'm going to share with you today an immune system booster, which is a really powerful pranayam breath practice to do. And we're going to be working with the Surya mudra. So it's this mudra here. Surya means the sun. We have this inner sun within us. It comes from the heart, and it also emanates from our solar plexus. And these are where we tend to be able to really fight off immune compromising viruses or bacterias or any type of negative impact. We're able to reflect those, deflect those. We're not compromised with our immune system. But this one will definitely do it, and it does it very, very quickly. So when we create this mudra, so you see I have my Jupiter and Saturn fingers together, which is index and middle finger together. And then I'm touching the tip of my ring finger, which is my sun energy finger. It's the sun finger. And then I have my Mercury finger, the little finger, extended out beyond. I'm going to hold this mudra here at my shoulder level. And I'm going to be, let's see, where are my eyes? My eyes are going to be concentrating here at my brow point. And then the other hand, my right hand, is I'm going to take my Jupiter finger and use it to close off the right nostril, which is going to activate the breath to be breath of fire out of the left nostril, which in turn starts to stimulate very strongly my right brain, which is very much affecting my central nervous system. So let me just share with you really quick the notes on this. It's called an advanced immune therapy, and it hits at viruses and bacteria. It is a kind of a tantric kriya. So the immune system interacts with your central nervous system, the glands, and your emotions. But we are each given the strength to encounter life and life's challenges. This is so true. We have moral strength. Now, this is interesting. We have moral strength, mental strength, emotional strength, and physical strength. So all of those 1, 2, 3, 4 aspects of strengths are interconnected. And we block the flow of those strengths when we experience any types of emotions of unresolved anger, self-defeat, and blame. So to boost the immune system, we got to overcome these blocks. So the right hemisphere of the brain stores many of the diffuse negative emotions that lead us to depression and to a lower functioning immune system. This meditation is going to stimulate your sympathetic nervous system and the right hemisphere to adjust themselves. In this process, you may go through various emotions as the glands start to shift their balance. And when we focus here at the third eye point, this is where we're activating the command post of the glandular system, which is your pituitary gland. It's your third eye point. So we're just going to relax and keep going until you feel like you're moving through this emotional inertia. And then afterwards, you're going to feel very light, energized, and very hopeful. So your immune system is going to become actually your whole system is going to become cleaned and rejuvenated, and your immune system is going to have a new vigor and not be blocked by inner conflict. So this is a type of breathing that's called a sun breath. A sun breath. All right? Let's do it. So we'll tune in. Thanks so much for joining me today. I do hope that you are going to be practicing this with me, and at least make a mental note to go back. If you're unable to practice it right now with me in real time, go back to this and do it. I do recommend that you do it in the morning when you wake up, in the middle of the day as you're moving through your day. It's nice to do at the end of the day, but it might be a little bit invigorating for you. So just check it out and see, all right? Just be intuitive about when is the best time for you to do this. The actual best time for you to do it is first thing in the morning when you wake up as the sun is just rising. That is the premier time to practice this inner sun breath. All right, here we go. So rubbing the hands. Hi, Odie. Good. Now press the palms firm and even together. And bring the backs of the thumbs right into the very center point of the chest, which is the chakra center of the heart. The heart, it is said, the yogis say that this energy here is equivalent to 108 suns. It is a powerful, powerful energy source, a source of intelligence. It is the seat of the soul, and it's truly where your authentic nature lies, is in the heart center. So closing the eyes and really extend and lengthen the spine. Feel rooted at your base, feel lifted at your crown. Let the breath flow nice and smoothly through the nostrils. Grateful for your breath, your body, your mind, and this beautiful opportunity that we create for ourselves when we just give ourselves time to do these practices of self-initiation, self-empowerment, self-reflection, building our consciousness and our awareness. So grateful for all of that. Good. Let's inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deep and hold the breath. Squeezing the body. Exhaling. Feel that you have begun to initiate your Kundalini energy to rise. She is spiraling up. Chakra is coming online. Let's connect everything through the arc line connector, our halo band that goes ear to ear. We'll feed it into our auric field and radiant body. The light of truth. Adigade name, Jugadagade name, Satagade name, Siddhigodadeve name, Adigade name, Jugadagade name, Satagade name, Siddhigodadeve name, Adigade name, Jugadagade name, Satagade name, Siddhigodadeve name. Inhale, holding your breath, squeezing the body again, and expand your light all around you, above and below, filling it with the light of truth, hope, peace, love, unity. Beam to infinity and beyond. Exhale. And grateful for the light team, ancestors, guides, angels, sages, rishis, the avatars, always present, always with us. Satnam. All right, beloveds, let's get going with this. It's recommended to do this breath practice for about 15 minutes. We're probably going to do about between 3 and 4 minutes today, a little bit of an abbreviated version for this platform. It's a little bit more appropriate. But again, set your timer and you can do this breath practice for the full 15 minutes. You can build up to 31 minutes if you need to. If you've got a really serious issue with a compromised immune system, I highly recommend this breath. Okay, so the left hand is Surya Mudra. You've got it right by your shoulder. You're going to take your right Jupiter finger and close the right nostril. We're looking up with the eyes to the third eye point, and you're going to begin to breathe evenly with a pumping motion of the navel point and the diaphragm in and out of the left nostril with the master breath, the breath of fire. Last 30 seconds. Keep up. Smooth and easy. Keep the breath relaxed and steady. Good. Now, interlace your fingers. Make sure your right thumb is on the top. Face the hands towards you. Hold it at the throat. Keep the eyes to the third eye. Take a real deep breath in. And try to pull the hands apart with all your force, all your might. Hold the breath. Pull. Powerfully exhale at the mouth. We're going to do it again. Exhale. Again. Try to pull as hard as you can, the hands apart. Squeeze. Exhale. Okay, we got one more. Really stretch your spine. Press the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Lift up through the pelvic floor. Navel in and up. Hold, consolidate, concentrate. Exhale. Now let the hands relax down. Let them rest just palms up on your knees. Eyes still remain closed. Just integrate that. You're going to feel a big shift of energy in the sense that your whole immune system has been renewed and invigorated. As you're doing this practice, you may have a sense of emotions coming up, and that's great. Just let them come up, observe them. Just notice what it is that you're sensing. Don't try to shove them away, just let them come fully present. Breathe into them. Good. So take a breath in and exhale. Now bring the hands into prayer mudra at the heart and one long sat and a short nam to close. Sat nam. So nam. Great.